186 Mike November Tom. 226 right, Ryanair. And 1 to depart ahead. Hello, they go, I said 2 now. I said 2 now. Tower, good morning, right, 96 Mike November. 186 Mike November, hello, continue approach 23 right. Quarantine approach. I know 19 to Papa, 23 right, clear to land, wind 24, 0 degrees, 10 knots. 226 right, Ryanair, 19 kilo Papa. Ryanair 19 kilo Papa, contact ground 121.855, bye. Ground 121.855, Ryanair 19 kilo Papa. Ryanair 86 Mike November, contact ground 121.855, bye. 121.855, Ryanair 86 Mike November, bye. Easy, 26 Tango Victor, 23 right, clear to land, wind 2303, 8 knots. 23 right, clear to land, easy 26 Tango Victor. Morning, this is Germany 763. This is Germany 763, good morning, continue approach 2 right. Idea of partial design, this is Germany 763. Easy 26 Tango Victor, contact ground 121.855, bye. 121.855, easy 26 Tango Victor, go away. VistaJet 763, contact ground 121.855. Right.
121.855, this is Germany 763. Good day.
Blackbird T1, contact ground 121.855. 121.855, Blackbird T1. So over day Saudi 123 heavy. Saudi 123, Manchester Tower, hello, continue approach number 1, surface wind 200 degrees, 8 knots. Continue approach Saudi 123 heavy. Oh, hello, Welling, 3 kilo golf, 7 miles out. Welling 3 kilo golf, Manchester Tower, hello, continue approach ground number 1. There's 1 to vacate and 1 to depart ahead. Copy, Welling 3 kilo golf, continue. Saudi 123, contact ground 121.855, goodbye. 121.855, bye bye, Saudi 123. Vueling 3 Kilo Golf, surface wind 230 degrees, 8 knots, 23 right, clear to land. Clear to land, 23 right, Vueling 3 Kilo Golf. Hello, Hainan Airlines, Tango November, Juliet 1 ready. Hainan 39 Tango November, Tower by Juliet 1, line up 23 right. Juliet 1, line up 23 right, Hainan 39 Tango November. Hainan 3 Kilo Golf, contact ground on 121.855. 1 Easy 63 Bravo November, surface wind is 220 degrees, 8 knots, 23 right, clear to land. Clear to land, 23 right, 63 Bravo November. Easy 63 Bravo November, contact around 121.855. 121.855, G63 Bravo November. Doing test 6 Julia Mike, surface wind 230 degrees, 5 knots, runway. SunExpress 6 Julia Mike, contact ground 121.855. 121.855, SunExpress 6 away. By Hotel Zulu 1, enter the way 23 right.
Fire Hotel Zulu 1, enter 23 right, range 13.
Ryanair 154, Victor, contact ground at 121.855. Ground 121.855, Ryanair 154, Victor, thanks. Easy 541 X-ray, Foxtrot 1 cross 23 right, hold up, Victor 3. Foxtrot 1 cross 23 right, hold Victor 3, Easy 541 X-ray.
Hello, Virgin 75 Lima, hold the top, Papa 1.
Virgin 75 Lima, thanks, call you back shortly, 1 to land.
Copy, Virgin 75 Lima.
Tower, Ryanair 898 X-ray Whiskey, hold short, Hotel 1. Ryanair 8 Whiskey, tower behind the landing company 737, Hotel 1 cross 23 right behind. Behind the landing traffic, cross runway 23 right behind, Ryanair 898 X-ray Whiskey.
Alpha 37 Alpha Bravo behind the landing 737, just rolling out by Foxtrot 1, cross 23 right behind.
Behind the landing traffic 737 Ryanair, cross 23 right by Foxtrot 1, up by 37 Alpha Bravo behind.
1375 Lima, Papa 1, cross 23 right, taxi Tango 1. Papa 1, cross 23 right, taxi Tango 1, 1375 Lima. 1310 Victor, contact Scottish 128.055.
128.055, 1310 Victor.
Maintain the position and run 89 X-ray whiskey.
Thank you, I'm easy, Alpha 37 Alpha Bravo, taxi to Victor 5.
Taxi to Victor 5, 37 Alpha Bravo.
Runway 29 Golf November, surface wind 220 degrees at 9 knots, runway 23 right, clear for land.
Land runway 23 right, runway 29 Golf November.
Runway 89 X-ray whiskey, thank you for that, taxi holding point Victor 5.
Happy holding point Victor 5, runway 89 X-ray whiskey.
1375 Lima, hold at Tango 1, contact tower 119.405. 37 Alpha Bravo, hold at Victor 5, contact tower 119.405.
Offshore Victor 5, 119.405, parameters over my Alpha Bravo, have a good one.
I-13 Echo behind the landing Ryanair by Papa 1, cross 23 right behind.
Behind the landing Ryanair, cross 23 right behind Papa 1, I-13 Echo.
Ryanair 89 X-ray whiskey, hold at Victor 5, contact tower on 119.405.
Also Victor 5 and contact tower 119.405, runway 89 X-ray whiskey, bye.
Right. I-13 Echo, Victor 5.
Victor 5, I-13 Echo.
I-13 Echo, 30 parts, we taxi to Tango 1.
Tango 1, I-13 Echo, 7.
Runway 29 Golf November, contact ground 121.855, come on.
Ground 128.5, thank you, 29 Golf November.
And just from jet 5 November Kilo, 5.5 mile final, 23 right.
Under 5 November Kilo, 95 legs, can you approach?
Can you come to 5 November Kilo?
Okay, then 89 Alpha, surface wind 200 degrees at 9 knots, 23 right, clear to box.
23 right, clear lines, get a right 9 off.